Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make vegan chocolate truffles. Start by finely chopping your chocolate. Add it to a small bowl along with your vegan butter. Bring your cashew cream to a light simmer. Once your cashew cream is warm, pour it over your chocolate and vegan butter and start to mix it up until everything is smooth and creamy. Pour your chocolate into a small baking dish and cover it with plastic wrap. But make sure the plastic is touching the chocolate so condensation doesn't form. Let it cool in the fridge for about an hour. Let's make our toppings now. For my truffles, I'm going to be topping them with crushed up freeze-dried strawberries, chopped hazelnuts, cacao powder, and I'll also be leaving a few of them plain. Now take your chocolate out of the fridge and start scooping out your chocolate to form into your truffles. Once you have it all scooped out, start rolling your chocolate into balls. This part will get very messy. Once you have your balls formed, throw it into your dish, wiggle it around a bit until everything is covered and you're done. Repeat these steps with the rest of your toppings until you've covered all of your truffles. And that's it. Super simple, only 3 ingredients. With Valentine's Day coming up, they'll be a great dessert. Try them out, let me know what you think. I'll see you next time. Bye.